The Lee PaceSetter 3-die set with factory crimp die is your first choice for semi-automatic weapons. This die set produces factory-dimensioned ammunition that reliably fits and feeds in any gun. Full-length sizing die is included and is a must if you are reloading for more than one firearm or reloading mixed-range brass. Full-length sizing die features a built-in stuck case remover. Others charge nearly $23 for a kit. Easy Adjust dead-length bullet seating die seats your bullet in place. Included factory crimp die provides a secure crimp on bullets with or without a crimp groove and gives the finished cartridge factory-like accuracy and dependability. Die instructions feature comprehensive load data that lists virtually all powder company published loads, along with suggested starting loads and a free powder dipper. Includes free shell holder. Some manufacturers charge over $14 for this necessary part. Be assured of longest case life and best fit in any standard chamber when cases are sized with Lee dies.